Very warm welcome to all my dear children. This is Shilpa ma'am, and today we are going to take up the second part of chapter Precipitation. Today we will be seeing the new topics of the lesson, that is types of rainfall. So let's begin our class. Before that, we will see what is rainfall. Rainfall can be defined as the precipitation in the liquid form. There are various types of rainfall based on the origin, which discussed below. So, types of rainfall. Rainfall has been classified into three main types based on the origin. First, conventional rainfall. Second, orographic or relief rainfall. Third, cyclonic or frontal rainfall. So first we will be going to see what is conventional rainfall. This type of rainfall occur due to thermal convection, due to heating of ground surface. When the land warms up, it heats the air above it. This causes the air to expand and rise. As the air rises, it cools and condenses. If this process continues, then rain will fall. Now we'll see what are the major characteristics of conventional rainfall. The air on getting heated becomes light and rises up in convection currents. As the air rises, it expands and drops the temperature, and subsequently condensation takes place and cumulus clouds are formed. Heavy rainfall with lightning and thunder takes place, which does not last longer. Such rain is usually in the summer or in the hotter part of the day. This type of rainfall generally takes place in the equatorial region or internal parts of the continents, predominantly in the northern hemisphere. This rainfall is usually associated with hails and grapes. Children, you can see through this diagram that when the cloud is saturated, it begins to precipitate, giving heavy and thundery showers. Due to this, we get thunder showers on a hot day. As the sun warms the air and it rises, cools and begins to rain. Second one is orographic or relief rainfall. This is type of rainfall which occur when air has blown over the sea and is then being forced up over an area of high land. This causes air to cool and moisture in the air to condense into rainfall. Now we'll see what are the major characteristics. When the saturated air mass come across a mountain, it is forced to rise. The rising air expands. Eventually, the temperature falls and the moisture gets condensed. The principal characteristic of this type of rain is that the windward slopes get more rainfall. Children, the windward slope, you can see in the diagram, the windward slope get more rainfall. After giving rain on the windward side, when these winds reach the other slope, they drop away and their temperature increases. Then their ability to take in more moisture increases, and hence these leeward slopes remain dry and rainless. The region situated on the landward side is known as the rain shadow area. And the third one is cyclonic or frontal rainfall. This type of rainfall which occur when warmer air is forced to rise over cold air. Okay children, this type of rainfall when it occur when warmer air, that is warmer air is forced to rise over cold air. The moist warm air condensed as it cool, which causes cloud and rain. Frontal rain produces a variety of clouds which bring moderate to heavy rainfall. Okay, because of frontal rain produces a variety of clouds. Okay, different types of clouds which bring moderate to heavy rainfall. Now, major characteristic of cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rain activities causes cyclonic rain, and it occurs along the front of the cyclone when two masses of air or unlike density, temperature and humidity meet, then it is formed. The layer then separates them is known as front. Warm front and the cold front are the two parts of the front. So children, warm up and the cold front are the two parts of the front. At the warm front, the warm lighter wind increases slightly over the heavier cold air. As the warm air rises, it cools and the moisture present in it condenses to form clouds. This rain falls gradually for a few hours to a few days. So you can see children through this diagram that warm air goes up. When warm air goes up, then what happens? The warm front and the cold front, warm lighter wind increases slightly over the heavier cold air. Okay, by this we have finished the types of rainfall. I hope that you have understood. Then now we will see our assignment. So assignment, you have to write short notes on A, orographic rain, and B, distinguish between the following. You have to compare this cyclonic rain and conventional rain. Children, you have to write this in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice